Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll be discussing whether health insurance is a scam or not. We'll be looking at the pros and cons of health insurance, how it affects people's healthcare decisions, and what you can do to make sure you're getting the most out of your health insurance coverage. So tune in to find out more about this important issue. Health insurance is a crucial aspect of our lives, but with the increasing number of scams and fraudulent activities in the market, many people are beginning to question its validity. The idea of health insurance being a scam has become a hot topic of discussion, and people are constantly searching for answers to this question. The United States health insurance system is a complex and ever-evolving system, and it's essential to have a clear understanding of how it works and how to navigate it to make informed decisions. To answer the question of whether health insurance is a scam, we must first understand the USA health insurance system. The United States health insurance system is a mix of private and public insurance programs that provide coverage to millions of people. The most common type of private health insurance is employer-sponsored insurance, where the employer pays a portion of the premium and the employee pays the rest. The private insurance market also includes individual policies that people purchase on their own. The public insurance programs, on the other hand, are run by the government and include Medicare, Medicaid, and the Children's Health Insurance Program, CHIP. The United States health insurance system has been the subject of controversy for decades, with many people feeling that it is too complicated, too expensive, and too inaccessible. Despite these criticisms, the system remains the largest and most complex in the world, providing coverage to millions of people. Now, coming back to the question of whether health insurance is a scam. The answer is no, health insurance is not a scam, but there are several scams and fraudulent activities that have been associated with it. These scams range from fake insurance policies, to fraudulent telemarketing calls, to illegal insurance practices. It's important to be aware of these scams, and to take steps to protect yourself from becoming a victim. Here are a few tips to help you avoid health insurance scams. Be wary of unsolicited phone calls and emails. Scammers often use telemarketing and email to try to trick people into buying fake insurance policies or sharing personal information. Don't give any information over the phone or via email unless you are confident that the person on the other end is legitimate. Don't respond to emails or phone calls from unfamiliar or suspicious numbers. If you receive an email or phone call from a number you don't recognize, don't respond. Scammers often use fake numbers to make it look like they are calling from a legitimate company. Check the credentials of the insurance company before purchasing a health insurance policy. Do your research to make sure that the company is reputable and legitimate. You can check with the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, to see if the company is licensed to sell insurance in your state. Don't give out personal information. Be careful about giving out personal information, such as your social security number, bank account number, or other sensitive information. Scammers may use this information to steal your identity or your money. Read the fine print. Before purchasing a health insurance policy, make sure you understand the terms and conditions, including the coverage, deductibles, copays, and other costs. Don't sign anything until you're confident that you understand what you're getting into. In conclusion, health insurance is not a scam, but there are several scams and fraudulent activities associated with it. It's important to be aware of these scams, and to take steps to protect yourself from becoming a victim. By understanding the United States health insurance system and taking the right precautions, you can ensure that you have the coverage you need to protect your health and financial well-being.